Welcome to my channel Rabbani 110Z. I will shining your way.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillah rahman rahim. Today I give you information about check valve. So check valve is a very common thing in piping, okay, and you will be see everywhere in piping. Where is the water flow? You will be see this is should be installed that place, okay. So this is called also NRV, okay. This is a flange type check valve, okay, and you can should be remembered, okay. This is the check valve shape, okay, and stop water. This is the purpose, stop water, not go backflow, okay. So this is a flange type, okay, and also available welded, threaded, okay, and flange type also. So flange type valve, you see this is the mechanism how it is work, okay, yani flow not go backside. So especially if you seen in steam boiler and also high pressure zone, where is the pressure need very high, this should be installed at that place, okay. You see how it is work. So commonly if I tell you, so this is only work principle, water not go backside, okay. So this is very important, okay. So commonly this is shape, but also other shape you can see, okay, like this. This is you see disc type, this one, okay, and this is very small. So this is information. Assalamu alaikum.